Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to direct message on Twitter. That's formerly Twitter, but now it's X. So what we're gonna do is open our X app on our phone. To directly message someone, you just need to go to the message page. Click on the message icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that, and it will route you to the inbox. Now, to find someone, you just need to click on the search bar located at the top and search for your friend. Now, if you already searched the friend, you just need to click on that friend and start messaging. And that's it. That's how you privately message someone on Twitter, now X. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!